Wow guys, this is your boy Jake. I just made $33,000 trading gold. Let me close the trades. Let me close another trade as well. As you can see guys, all these trades are actually opened by my trading robot called Jet Bot V1.0. By the way guys, I'm actually trading a live account. Look here, it's XM Broker. Let me close all the other trades. I love this robot so much because it's made for small trading accounts. And if you don't have any trading experience, you should definitely check out this robot. No setup or experience needed. I'm only 19 years old and I've already made millions with this bot. Yet most of you are over 40 years and can't even make $1. That's a joke, right? Anyway, look at my balance now. It's $33,835 US. This is insane. Remember, we started with just 100 bucks. Now, look, 33,835 USD. Let me show you step by step how to use our robot. First, you need license keys. Mine is this one, yours will be different. Let me copy it to show you. Once you have the license keys, go to our website, www.jetbottrading.com. Once you're on this page, just know you're about to be rich. Click on settings, enter the license keys you got after buying the robot, and click activate. As you can see, this is my XM Broker trading account that I added. You can also see it here on my MetaTrader 5 real trading account. Yours will have a different trading account number. Keep in mind, no trading balance is needed for this stage. We're just doing licensing. For example, let's say your account is 12345. Now let's go to the website and add it as our trading account number. Just for testing, write it here and click add account. Look, 12345, just like that. Once I click add account, is then added to the list. Keep in mind, you can add up to 3 accounts for different brokers. If I click replace and type 123456 as our new account and click submit, it will replace the previous account, as you can see. You can also click remove to take the account off. Now, if I go back to our main dashboard, I can enter my trading logins, the account number and password I added, then select the right server from the list. Let me look for mine, which matches my broker. The list is long, so if your broker isn't here, go back to the dashboard and add it as custom. Mine is right here, XM Broker. Now that we selected our broker, it means we are done. Let's click the login button. We're now on the trading dashboard. For example, I can select any number of trades. Let me choose 10 trades and maybe also pick one lot size as an example. You're also going to choose the type of currency or indices you want to trade on. To select the market, if it's me, I love trading gold, but this is just an example. We're not placing any more trades. The list is very long since we have all different currencies and indices like NASDAQ gold and even derived broker indices. And it goes on and on. Since I love trading gold, let me look and select gold just as an example. Now that I selected gold, if I click the start trading button, it would start making money. But I'm not gonna do that since we've already traded too much today. So if you've watched this far, you're obviously interested in the robot. My question is, since nothing's stopping you, why don't you DM me on Telegram right now at TradeMaster Jake? And don't forget to subscribe.